Here we go, fourth graders. Your learning target is what does rage and rapidly mean? So let's look at these vocab words. This computer's not cooperating on right now. So our first word, whoops, so it was on the right one. First word is rapidly. So rapidly means with a great speed, quickly, or very fast. So an example would be like the weather changed rapidly from sunny to cold and windy. So make your own definition and a picture for what rapidly means. And your second one is rage. So rage talks about storms, winds, seas, or rivers that rage are ones that move in a strong or violent way. So this kind of rage is talking about what happens with storms, winds, seas, or river. So that means that the waves are really strong, or the wind was really, really blowing strong or violent. So that is rage and rapidly. Work on your vocab journal.